Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and today I am excited to share the story of how we have helped a specialized mechanical components manufacturer transform their digital presence to a powerful engine for qualified lead generation. When the client, a leading manufacturer of timing pulleys, universal joints, timing belts, gears, couplings and the other industrial components came to us, they were frustrated. Despite having an impressive website showcasing their products, they were not seeing the kind of meaningful inquiries they have expected. Their site worked more like a product catalog, offering detailed specifications and the images, but the users were simply browsing and leaving without submitting the form. Their previous marketing efforts did not bring the right audience, and worse, they had just no visibility into what was going wrong. We have started by offering a free detailed audit, a step many agencies overlook, and immediately spotted the major gaps over there. Their campaigns lacked structure, irrelevant traffic was draining their budget, negative keywords were barely used, and no serious thought has gone into the retargeting or the audience refinement. It was clear they needed a complete overhaul, not just some tweaks. We have reimagined their search campaign from the ground up, focusing on the most relevant high-intent keywords. Every ad group was structured tightly across specific product categories, and we carefully crafted the ad copies that not only spoke to the industrial buyers but also positioned the brand as a trusted solution provider. We ran continuous ad tests to identify which messaging performed best, ensuring the campaigns always stayed sharp and competitive. At the same time, we aggressively built out the negative keyword list to eliminate irrelevant clicks and save budget for the leads that truly mattered. Understanding that today's buyer journey is not linear, we have layered the audience targeting and the refined bidding strategies based on the device performance, ensuring we were reaching the right people at the right time on the right platform. We have also introduced a brand search campaign to protect their brand name online, and we have launched the remarketing campaigns to bring back potential customers who had shown interest but had not submitted their inquiry yet. Beyond campaigns, we did not stop. We have refreshed all the site links, callouts and the ad extensions, providing users with easier navigation and more reasons to engage. And recognizing the importance of seamless lead handling, we have integrated all lead tracking into the Go High level, giving the client full visibility, nurturing capabilities and real-time lead management from one place. On top of that, our in-house creative team stepped in to design professional banners and the video assets, further elevating their brand success across search and the display. Throughout the process, we have maintained open communication with the client, providing them with fast responses, regular updates and detailed performance reporting. This transparency helped them understand exactly what was happening behind the scenes and gave them confidence that real work was being done to drive the results. The transformation was outstanding. Within just a short span, the client started receiving around 134 high qualified leads every month at a high efficiency cost per conversion of only $13.13. These were not casual browsers, these were serious informed prospects submitting clear product specific inquiries. Thanks to the combination of smart targeting, strong creatives, strategic optimizations and powerful tracking, their website went from being just an online catalog to become a true lead generation powerhouse. The client is thrilled not just with the number of leads but also with the quality, consistency and the future control they now have over their digital marketing system. This case study is a great reminder that with the right strategy and a hands-on approach, even a traditionally lead-based business can unlock massive online growth. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can share with us your PPC account access. Once we have the account access, we will be able to do the audit, and then we can actually let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research, and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.